Okay, runners, here we go.
Here we go on Gooch's Sizzler. And yes, we might be getting some memories. This is the one that was in Portrush a few years ago. Here we go. So time for a little nostalgia trip. It's got all its lights redone. Kind of like how Cyclone did. Here we go. Oh, I'm getting the memories. Oh look, there's the horses. Oh no, it's not. There's the Dodgems. Nostalgia like. Oh, here we go now. No, full speed. Oh my life. It's even faster than it was in Curry's.